Hi, everybody. It's Miss Stone with your learning adventure for today. And we did this yesterday, my friends and I, and I'm going to show you guys how to do something fun today. We are going to make bubbles. Now, I was hoping my bubbles wouldn't pop, but like with every science experiment, sometimes things don't go right. And that is okay because that's how you learn to do things differently. So in order to make our bubbles, we need a couple of things. We need dish soap, corn syrup, and some measuring cups, a bowl. Let me grab my bowl, and water. So let's try this out. My mixture is already made. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what would go into everything, and then we're going to try it again. So first, let's talk about my measuring cups. This is a glass measuring cup. So if you're going to make this at home, make sure that you ask an adult for help because I don't want this to break and for you to get hurt. That would not be good. You use a measuring cup like this for liquids, like the water. So Miss Dawn needs 3 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to pour my water in. And I'm going to pour it into my bowl. But look, my measuring cup only goes to 2. So I need to add another 1 cup to my bowl because 2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3. So we're going to pour the water into the bowl. Again, I'm going to pour it right in here. Okay. And then we need 1 cup of dish soap. So Miss Dawn is going to take her dish soap and she's going to pour it into my cup. And then I'm going to pour it into my bowl like this. And these measuring spoons you would use for when you're baking, you would use it for the flour, the sugar, things like that. But I don't want to mix everything up in the one measuring cup, the glass one. So Miss Dawn's using these as well. It gives you the same amount of measurements. It's just if you're baking, that's what you have to do. Miss Dawn likes to bake, which is how she knows that. Then we need a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. So that would be as if you were to take a whole cup and cut it in half, you would get a 1/2 cup. So we're going to pour a 1/2 cup of corn syrup into the bowl. It's very sticky. Miss Dawn uses this to bake when she makes her famous black and white cookies. And if there are parents watching this who know about black and white cookies, you know that they're very good. And the corn syrup gives the icing on those cookies a little bit of a shine. Just a little aside there. So now what we have to do is we have to mix it all up. I'm going to use my corn syrup measuring cup again. So I'm going to mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. And I'm going to show you guys that there's already some bubbles in my bowl. Like that. So now I'm going to take my straw, and if this worked out okay, I'm just going to dip my straw into the mixture like this, swirl it around a little bit, and then I'm going to blow out, not in. No, we don't want to swallow soap. We want to blow out. So let's blow real gentle, okay? Oh, that didn't quite work out, did it? All right, let's try again. Nope. See, an experiment. Sometimes it doesn't always work. Okay, let's see if it works this time. We made bubbles. Let's see now if these bubbles don't pop. Oh, they seem to pop, but they're not popping in the bowl. Hold on. There's my bubbles. I've got bubbles coming. Ta-da! Here's a bubble, but I think, oh, that was so close. Let's try one more time. We're gonna leave the bubble on the straw this time. What do you guys notice about my bubble? You can see through it. Hi. Is my bubble square like a cube, or is it round like a sphere? It is. It's a sphere. It doesn't look like a box. It looks like a ball. And it doesn't bounce, because what happens to bubbles? Normally they do. They pop. Yeah, they pop. Let's sing a little song about our bubbles. Okay, this one's going to get her piece of paper here. Okay, ready? Oh. Good grief. Okay, here we go. Bubble, bubble, turn around. Bubble, bubble, land on the ground. Bubble, bubble, float up high. Bubble, bubble, go to the sky. Bubble, bubble, float down low. Bubble, bubble, up, land on my toe. Bubble, bubble, stop, stop, stop. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Isn't that fun? I hope you guys enjoyed making bubbles with Miss Dawn today. I had a good time. Now we have a big mess to clean up here. My loves, I hope that you enjoyed our experiment today. So let's just straighten it up a little bit, because we always have to keep our science area nice and clean so we don't contaminate the results that we get, which means that we don't get a weird answer to the question. And our question was, can we make bubbles that don't pop? And it doesn't look like we can. Looks like we did not get lucky on that sense. But now that you guys made bubbles at home, you guys can try different ways to make the bubbles not to pop. And if you do find a way that makes your bubble not pop, please let me know, because I am still trying to figure it out. I love and miss you guys so much, and I'm so proud of how well you are learning. I want you to stay happy, healthy, and safe, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye.